Hey there, YouTube fam! It's your favorite season guide here to share 5 awesome things you can do this summer. First up, let's cool off with some DIY popsicles. Grab your favorite fruits, juices, and molds and get creative. Second, go for a hike and enjoy the beauty of nature. It's a great way to get some exercise and stay healthy. Third, challenge yourself to a summer photography challenge. Fourth, plan a creative picnic with unique snacks and a cozy blanket. Pick a beautiful spot, lay out a cozy blanket, and enjoy the company of friends and family. And last but not least, let's get sporty. Summer is the perfect time to try out a new activity like kayaking, surfing, or even beach volleyball. Get your friends together and have a blast.